Now, person-to-person transmission in cases of coronavirus can take place. This particular virus can infect the healthy individuals from the infected individuals when they come in very close contact with the healthy individuals. Now, how it can basically infect the healthy individuals? It can be through the direct air droplet infection that we were already discussing. As you can even see over here through this diagrammatic representation, that when an infected person coughs or sneezes, it can basically, the coronavirus can infect or can directly pass on to the healthy individuals over here. The droplet infections, basically the coronavirus, would enter the respiratory system of the healthy individuals, and it gets lodged over there through the trachea, through the esophagus, and it then can enter the lungs. It can basically damage the lung tissue particularly, and it can cause the acute respiratory distress syndrome, that is the ARDS, which is the basic cause of death in cases of coronavirus. And after that, it can basically complicate into situations of septic shock. These are the two major causes of death in cases of coronavirus: the acute respiratory distress syndrome and the septic shock. So this is how it basically gets transmitted from a person, from an infected person to a healthy individual through the air droplet infection.